This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado, the Trailboss package with the 5.3. We just did a custom true dual exhaust system with a custom Truex pipe out to these quad tips in the back. Took the factory bezels off, giving a nice growl to it here. Customer wants to wake up the dead, I think. I think this is going to do it. Left all the factory cats on there. Should be loud and proud. Let's see what it sounds like. Once it comes off cold idle, it does come down, tame down a little bit. Kind of settles in a little bit. That cold start in the morning though, but it's got a lot of bite to it.